So my name is Ben Jarvis and I'm CTO for Data and AI here at Telefónica Tech. And today I'm going to talk about Lakebase, which was one of the key announcements at the Databricks Summit. So Lakebase is basically the embedding of a transactional database, which is PostgreSQL, into the Databricks platform. And one of the things that's really unique is that Databricks have effectively been able to decouple compute from storage within that database. So that means that we can now store all of our data within the data lake and have compute on top of it to give us that really low latency querying engine through PostgreSQL. And that brings us lots of benefits in that we can now host transactional applications directly on the Databricks platform. So previously, if we wanted to host a transactional application, we'd generally have to move data out of Databricks and into another solution. But now we can essentially do all of that within the Databricks platform. And that opens up lots of really interesting use cases for us. So whether it's doing app development on the Databricks platform using something like Databricks apps, so that we can start to give our business users that ability to interact with data and write back to our platform. So that could be doing something like inventory management, where a user might need to update some data and have the ability to pass those updates back into the system. Or it opens up use cases around things like AI. So say, for example, we've got a chatbot where we need to store some state from that chatbot and store things like chat history. We've now got the ability to do that directly within Databricks. And really the opportunities are endless. So we talk to a lot of customers where they're wanting to expand that usage of the data platform because they've got all of their data in one place. And they might want to do application integration where they're pushing data out to other applications. Or they might want to serve some data externally through something like an API. And now, rather than us having to complicate things and introduce lots of different components to do those jobs, we can now do that all within the Databricks platform. So it's going to be really interesting to start using that feature now that it's in public preview. And off the back of that, we'll be starting to deliver some blog content on our website just around what it is and how it actually works in practice, and some of our learnings from the real world of actually using that solution. So keep an eye out on our website and have a look at some of the other Databricks content that we've got there if you're interested in learning more.